Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm out.
You're supposed to like
What am I supposed to say?
Say, hey, we're finishing stuff up.
Hey, we're finishing stuff up.
We're fixing to put the nose on the car.
Oh yeah, we're fixing to put the nose on the car.
And you're gonna help.
Yeah.
You're great. You're a great host. We got a little ways to go on your YouTube career. All right, let's put the nose on.
Okay.
All you gotta do is just spread it out a little bit and go around. And it just sets.
Not really.
Just set. You're good. Just set it on. That's it. Pretty much. I mean, how long?
It looks like it's fine.
It's not really.
Ooh. Don't know what I just did, but sure I can't hurt much.
There we go. That's all I needed. I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna go get a drink. We changed upper spacers on the caster camber plates for the struts. Checked everything. Looked all right, I guess. So that's it. We're fixing to head to the track right now. Please pull out the gate. So it's pretty warm. We'll see how the little radiator does. It's got some water wetter in it and stuff. So we'll see how that works out as far as us actually getting up there without it being too hot and stuff. You know, I knew this was going to happen where I was going to have to end up putting the other radiator back in it, but so we'll see. It's just going to be me, Pirate, and Eric if I make it up there. So I guess, what's it going to run? What do we do substantially? Maybe we got the clutch fixed. We got anti-roll in it. That's not going to pick up like, oh my God, it's a 10th in the 60 foot. So we did the 90mm throttle body, and we did the lower intake manifold. So I don't know, it's going to be way warmer than it was the last time we were up there, so that's going to hurt us. We're not bringing any ice or anything. We're just trying to get baseline runs. We're not going for any kind of like kill shots. So anyway, we just make it up there and make passes and make it home. I'm just going to call that a victory after everything that has transpired with me just trying to get up there. So anyway, what will it run? You guys can put your guess below and all this stuff. Combo is listed in the description. So, all right, that last clip you just watched, filmed out about 12:40. We were getting ready to pull out the gate, which we did, and we got about 8, 9, 10 miles, just cruising down the road, temperature's doing good, and all of a sudden, it like just drops the cylinder. Just miss it. Pull over, pop the hood off, nothing obvious with plug wires or anything like that. So, you know, at that moment I had, and this is something it's never done before, so I had a choice of trying to keep going and just hope it magically clears up, or come back home and you know, look into it a little deeper if possible. So I decided to turn around and come all the way back through all the traffic, because when I go to the track, it's traffic, and then it clears out to just open highway and everything's great. But I just reached the point of where I was just about out of the traffic, so I had to turn around, come back through all the traffic again, catch every light, of course. So now it's getting warmer. It's not, you know, it's not crazy hot, but it is warm. And about a mile from the house, just starts running like a champ. It's my life. It's about 3:30 now. Of course, I was, you know, I'm not going to the track. My day was done at that point. My frustration level, it's high. Let's just put it like that. So anyway, I'm gonna unload it, and then I'm gonna put the other tires on. I'm gonna take it for a drive, I guess. Well, here's how our test drive ended up. Got about, you know, a couple, like 2 miles from the house, and looked down. Temperature gauge was hot. I don't have no idea what happened or what's going on. Pulled in, stopped to cool it down. I think it's locked up. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. Once again, going out on our shield. Before we go any further, I want to give a big shout out to K-Dog for coming and rescuing me. I called him up, and like an idiot, he answered the phone. I said, hey man, I hope you're busy doing something because I need some help. And he immediately started laughing. He went out, hooked the trailer up, come right over, helped me, you know, we got it all loaded up, got it back here, helped me push it back in the shop. So he's an awesome friend. I'm very lucky. I'm way luckier to have him than he is to have me. You take that to the bank, bro. It's probably kind of hard to see, but that is oil, the oil, and as you can tell, it looks good. It looked, you know, no water. No plug, all the plugs are still in it and everything. Rolls over. Rolls over good. So Kevin was like, he goes, maybe it's a bad starter. And I'm like, wow. I didn't even really think about that. It had a tiny bit of drag. The last couple of times I started it, I thought it was just the battery, but it could have been the starter trying to get going, which is hilarious because we just had that problem on Jake's car, where we had to change the starter. So I banged on it a little bit, you know, but I think we've got a bad starter. Now, why it got hot, I don't know. Thermostat could have stuck, could have had air pocket, anything could have happened there. But I think it's okay. Honestly, the fuel injection thing was a concern about why it did that. It ran good and then stopped. I don't know, could have got a piece of trash in an injector and it just spit it out. Who knows? So anyway, at the moment, it's better than it was yesterday. So for the moment, I'm going to consider this total failure, and it's also raining. And Jake's new alternator's bad. This total failure of an attempt to once again go to the track, I'm going to say it could have been a lot worse. So we'll when it maybe tomorrow or Wednesday or whenever, we're going to pull it around to the pad. We'll change the starter, put another starter on it. I'm also going to take the little radiator out. It's just too hot. I just get obsessed almost with certain things of weight loss and stuff. I cannot let go of it. But we're to the point with the weather that it's just not worth it. I got to put the other radiator back in it, and you know, it is what it is. So at least then we can get to the track. Just need to get to the track and make some passes. This thing is killing me. And the bad part is that I actually like the way McNugget looks. He has really grown on me, the whole look of the car and everything. I'm real happy with it. I'm just not happy with, we're not simpatico just yet. So anyway, thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. Couldn't do it without you. Wouldn't want to. Especially thanks for watching. And until next time on the Substandard Leader and Fox Body videos on this here man's YouTube, 1 year only Lincolns, 4 drag vans, and as always, fighting the good fight against Dr. Fear. We'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna get to the track, I promise.